If you had 1 year to be whoever you want to be, do whatever you want, chase your dreams with no regard for the outcome, who would you be? Life is so short. The one thing that is sure is that we're getting slightly older every second. And in the blink of an eye, we'll be old, and then we'll be gone. But before we go, there are ways to take in every moment as much as possible, making even the ordinary moments precious and unforgettable. Throughout most of our lives, we are chasing something, a better, richer, happier future, instead of living in the now. Little do we know that the more we chase, the less happy we are, because peace is in the presence, and the presence is all that we'll ever have. The ego wants us to chase the grandiose version of our life that is never in the now. We ruminate between the past and the future, live inside our heads, wanting and wanting and wanting. But life is not a preview. Life is now. Every moment, every part of this journey is happening, unfolding, whether or not we like it. So live in the now. Start your morning with a few deep breaths. How magnificent is this breath? It all begins and ends from here. Maybe think about what you are grateful for. Is it as simple as being able to open your eyes to another day of being alive, being on this earth? Even the ability of being grateful is a blessing in itself. Treat yourself to a little coffee in the morning outside in the sun. Nourish your soul away from the distraction of the world, the noise. Give yourself a little break from your phone. We take so much time to look good for others, but how about self-care and self-love? When you look neat, you often feel more neat. Self-love starts from the moment you start tending to yourself. A spritz of perfume, a little cream, a pair of simple earrings, all for yourself. Who else do we spend time with more than with ourselves? From bud to bloom, nature shows us that progress is a journey, not just a destination. It takes time to tend to them, and it takes efforts to prolong the beauty of the flowers. But when we engage in physical activities and relationship with nature, it grounds and anchors us. It reminds us that we are also part of it. Beautifying our environments cultivates peace within us. Our home is our sanctuary. We spend so much time in it. Why not spend a little time to make it as comforting as possible? Music is the sound of nature, the poetry of the air. We live in a time to be able to appreciate countless beautiful pieces from the archive of the greatest musicians in history. So why not spend a little time to appreciate the symphony of the instruments? Breathe in the beauty of the sound. Feel the magnificence of human creativity in classical music. Then add that touch to an ordinary moment of eating, reading, or working.